All right, welcome back everybody. This is our part 3 video. For those of you just now seeing this, part 1 and 2, how to build it inside the wall and how to build these guys and get the seal coat on. We already have those videos out. So this is part 3. This is going to be the final one. This is the flood coat. And then we're going to be showing you the install finished out and everything. So right to it. I'm just going to take a piece of sandpaper here. This is 220 grit. And all you want to do is just lightly buff over your area here. Take out any imperfections you might have. If you had a bubble or something come up in the seal coat, this is where all that needs to come out. And then on top of this benefit of laying down the graphics and getting everything nice and smooth, it's going to adhere that flood coat real well. So just like that. And what I clean this with is 91% isopropyl. So after I'm done here, we're going to take a shop vac and we're going to get all this dust off, and then we're going to put just a spritz or two on each one here and clean these off and let them dry. Then we will be ready to mix and do our flood coat. All right, so with the flood coat, it is just that. We've got enough here to pretty much coat the whole piece, both of them. We're gonna get some on the other one here. Just like that. So I like my flood coat to actually cover, so I make sure it's going to cover. I'll get it all the way close and get those little edges there. There we go. We're going to catch this other one up here. So I'm looking for a nice 1/8 or so, 1/8 of an inch on top. It's gonna look really good recessed inside the wall. So just like that. We're gonna let these pieces sit up, and we're going to grab any of the bubbles out that are coming, and then we're going to let these guys dry for the full time. And right after that, we're going to show you the install from what we've already worked on our part 1 video, putting these guys right in the wall. Okay, so I just want to show you right here on the install part. All we've done was just set him in. We used a product called Power Grab on the back side, or you could use a liquid nail, either or. The Power Grab looks just like that. And it's the 0 second, the instant. So this is definitely the more expensive one. It's about $8 a tube, but bonds like no other, and it will stick that back here. We just pressed firmly to get that to stick. It's even. And now we're going to start our tile process here, going all the way around this guy. So just wanted you to see how we're getting ready to do this. We start the front side first, and we're going to lay the next tile over so we can overlap that edge. Okay, so once you've got your border on there, we've got it all on the outside. The inner is still showing. So now we have already cut these to fit, and now we're going to drop these right down inside, and they're going to fit in there just perfect, just like that. And we're going to cap right over all the way around to make that sit in there just right. So just wanted you to see, do the outside first, and then make sure these lay over that edge, because then we're going to take a oil rub bronze PVC piece of scribe, and we're going to wrap these guys just like we did right there. So just wanted you to see how we're going about that, tying that in. All right, so there you go. Our boxes are completely finished and in play. There's our nice, pretty soaking tub. So everything came together really nicely right over the top. She's already got a couple of things sitting up there on the shelves. We've trimmed out our boxes, as you can see. Just really pulled everything together. If you want to see how we did this from start to finish, and this is the first time you are actually seeing this video, we have all the first, second, and third video already out of how to actually make these boxes inside the wall, how we built the squares and how we epoxied them and how we brought everything together here for the finish. So all out there for you already. All you got to do is watch it. We will have the rest of this bathroom here done real soon. You'll be seeing the countertop we've got here across the way. We're still finishing up, so it won't be that much longer, but wanted to go ahead and get the how-to video here completely out here, how to do these boxes in your house. And you can put these just about anywhere, bathroom, kitchen, down a hallway, doesn't matter. Really brings it together. So as usual, thanks for watching. We'll be back real soon for the rest of it.